Use the diagram below to answer the question that follows. A college student buys a sofa and pays for it in equal monthly installments. The partially filled area model above represents the product of the number of monthly payments, so that's this here, with the monthly payment here in dollars. So this is the number of monthly payments times the value of the payment. And you multiply those and you should get the total cost of the couch. How many monthly payments does the college student have to make? Okay, so this is a partially filled area model, which means that we multiply um, the various parts of the factors and put the result in the box, right? So this is a 5 times a something giving me 150. So this has to be a 30, right? So this is, I'll put a 3 there. That's the tens place, so I'm going to know that means 30. Or I could just write 30 if that's better. 30. Okay, and then 30 times what would give me 600? That would have to be 20. And then 20 times what gives me 120? That would have to be a 6. Okay, so we have 36 payments of $25. Okay, so they asked me how many monthly payments does the college student make? So that is D 36.